Welcome to Skills Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to text multiple contacts without group message on Android and iPhone. To do so on Android, begin by launching the Messages app on your Android phone. Then tap the message icon to compose a new message. Type the first contact's name and tap on the three dots icon, and then select Add People and add more recipients. Type your message in the text field, and next tap Send button to send the message individually to each recipient. On iPhone, you need to unlock your iPhone first and locate the Settings app. Scroll down and find Messages in the list of settings, and tap on it to access the Messages settings. Inside the Messages, locate the toggle switch for iMessage. Tap the toggle to turn it off. While still in Messages settings, scroll down and find the toggle switch for group messaging. Tap the toggle to turn it off too. It will also turn gray when disabled. Exit the Settings app and open the Messages app on your phone, and tap the Compose button located in the bottom right corner of the screen to start a new message. In the To field, start typing the name of one of the recipients you want to send the message. As you type, suggestions will appear. Tap on the correct contact to add them. And to add more recipients, tap the plus button next to the last recipient's name and repeat the process. Compose the message and send it to the people you want to send individually. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.